Hello everybody, welcome back to Parent Vibes. If you're new to the channel, in here we share parenting tips, experiences, and mistakes. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we will talk about toys and baby gear to avoid for optimal child development. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Floor seats. This usually start to be used around 3 months old, and it's very early because by then kids are not yet able to sit up on their own. I understand that a lot of parents need something where to put their baby safely arm free, but these seats actually can quite delay their development because they force their baby with their legs straight when they're not capable to do it on their own, and this can develop hip dysplasia or developmental dysplasia in general. Number 2, walkers. Walkers do not promote independent walking. They can actually quite delay this skill. They do not have any specific benefit for child, and actually in some countries they are banned, like in Canada. Walkers are also dangerous. They are not only useless, but they can cause injury. Actually, there are so many injuries related with the use of walkers because baby can go very fast from one side to the other of the room. They can reach objects that they shouldn't be reaching, or hot sides of the kitchen, for example. And again, they do not serve any purpose. So if you would like to purchase something to help your baby to walk, it's better to buy push walker toys. Number 3, baby jumpers. Baby jumpers are also used very early, when babies are not capable to sit upright or to stand. And jumper force them in a stand position and teach the baby to push on their tippy toes. And this is not the correct way that they should start standing in. And also consider that in general, child development goes from head to toes. So they first learn how to control their head and neck, and they strengthen their back muscle, core muscle, arms, elbow, and finally legs and feet. So if we start to put them on their feet, we can have problems going into the future. Number 4, exerciser. These ones have usually a station with a lot of toys that make noise, that can keep your child entertained for hours. But what's wrong with them is that first, again, they are in a standing position and they are not developed enough to stand, and their knee are locked and their position is laying forward, which is not the position they should be in when they are learning how to stand and how to walk. The use of exercises can develop abnormal way of moving in child, so they're definitely not recommended. In general, if you have any of these toys and gear, don't throw them away or don't panic. Just make sure that you reduce the use as much as possible. 5-10 minutes a day, not longer than that. Because usually these toys are marketed to be learning tools for your kids. So maybe parents think that they can leave their child on it for hours. Just be aware of that. In general, just remember that companies capitalize on infant development and parent insecurity just to sell their product. And we end up thinking that our little ones needs all of these things when they actually don't. What they need when they are developing in the very first few months is just put them on the floor, let them stare at the real world, maybe a curtain moving with the breeze, open a window, let them watch the cars, hearing the birds, or bring them outside and touch the grass with the toes, touch all the textures, and look at the color of nature. Kids just need a safe place where to just be and away from distractions and entertainment of electronic and gadgets in general. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye!